So I'm going to get into the specs of this wig while I show you guys some of the unboxing of it. So this is the Nadula Hair Bye Bye Knots 7x5 Invisible Knots Yaki Straight Glueless wig with a deep part. And this, of course, is a lace closure. But this is their new no-slip Yaki Straight wig. So with the no-slip, they do have 3 silicone strips to make it more secure. And it's supposed to be easy to adjust to fit to different head sizes. An elastic band that goes from the edge of the closure all the way around the wig. This is something that's new because I tried it with another wig as well. So this is something that's pretty recent with a lot of the human hair wigs. In the footage you'll see me try it on, but I had on a black shirt and you couldn't see like everything, so I decided to change my top for you guys so you could see it better. And I went ahead and flat ironed the wig to save some time, and this is what it looks like. This Yaki texture is moving. This is what the hairline looks like. I did tweeze it up a little bit more. It wasn't that bad, but I do like my hairlines to be thinned out a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. So with this cap construction, it does come with pre-cut lace. It has one comb in the back, and it doesn't have combs on the right and left side, because I think they get that a lot of people don't use the combs on the right and left side because it can thin your edges out. So they opted for the silicone strip that's all around the wig, as well as the elastic band here that's adjustable for different head sizes. So I am going to put this on and see what we got going on. I'm adjusting the drawstring in the back, and I'm putting the comb at the nape in the back of my head. I did put some wax. I applied a wax stick on the top of my hair while I was straightening this wig so it was more flat. So this is what it looks like after I flat ironed it, and I don't have any glue applied or like tint on the lace, and this is what it looks like. So, and this is completely glueless, and I think this looks good. I'm probably going to put a little bit of contour on my lace, just a little bit. And I'm going to put it underneath because I do think it looks better doing that. So I'm going to just take contour on the back of my hand and put it on a fluffy brush and put it on my lace. Alright guys, so you saw the unboxing and you saw how I applied this wig very easily. I don't even have it glued down, and I like to melt my wigs all the time, even when it's a glueless wig. But for convenience and to show you guys like how good this looks, I am wearing this completely glueless for you guys. So this is glueless. So I utilized the elastic band that they have that goes from each side of the closure. It's kind of like I guess it's like a 360 kind of thing. It goes from each end of the closure, and you can adjust it to accommodate your head size, because I feel like my cap is on the larger side, and so adjusting it really got the lace to lay flat on my head. It does have the silicone strips in there for added security as well, and they don't have the combs in there like on the right and left side in the front, so you don't have to worry about damaging your edges. But even without those combs on the right and left side in the front, it does feel very secure. And on top of that, you have a comb at the nape and a drawstring. So I adjusted all of those, the drawstring and the elastic band, and I feel very secure in this wig. I just quickly ran a flat iron through it, and I had it up on 465 on my Babyless flat iron here, and it blew through the hair and it got it really nice and straight. And this is a Yaki texture, so it has a beautiful luster to it. It's like a relaxed texture. I believe this is 24 inches. I'll have all the specs for you guys in the description box, but this is a beautiful Yaki texture. I love how I look with black hair, and of course with it being a straight black wig in the middle, I just think that looks good on me. This Yaki texture has a lot of nice flow to it. It's not like dry and stiff. It has a lot of nice flow to it. And this was very easy to get together. I did tweeze the hairline, but I felt like the hairline wasn't that bad, but I do like to customize my hairlines to suit my taste, and that's what I did. So I did get some shedding from that. Like I said, I'm wearing this 100% glueless, but what I did was I tightened the cap as I told you guys, and I used my contour, cream contour, put it on the back of my hand. Then I got a fluffy brush and then ran it underneath the cap instead of on top of the cap like I usually do. And I feel like that is the better way to do it after doing a lot of experimentation, because when I did my sunlight test for you guys, it looked so much better outdoors. And it is fall and the sun goes down earlier, so it's basically a lot of shade where I'm showing you guys when I'm doing the sunlight test for you guys. So you really get to see the lace when it's, you know, in low sun. And it looked really good actually, especially for this being completely glueless. So it's laying nice and flat to my head, and the contour that I used looked really good and natural. So very impressed there. Nadula Hair is another like affordable human hair company. So if you're looking to invest in something that's more affordable, but you get a lot for what you are paying for, because this is a very long wig. This is, I think it's on the thicker side. I mean, this is thick for, you know, a Yaki texture. I feel like this is thick. She's very thick and she's very long. This might even be like 26 inches, and I'm 6 feet tall, so whatever length this is extremely long. It's that time of year you can, you know, afford to wear something thicker and longer. So I also wanted to show you guys what this hair looks like when it's curled. It does hold a curl, even though Yaki textures and kinky straight textures, they don't hold it as long as like body wave textures, but you can curl this wig. Just, you know, make sure you use your hairspray. Overall, I think this is a nice wig. It's a nice bargain for what you get. The hairline and everything looks good. It's very beginner friendly. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, especially for Black Friday, definitely check the description box. I'll have all the links and the specs, as well as any coupon codes that they have for any sales that they have going on. Shout out to Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. I can't let go of love.